The AI war has just begun. With the launch of ChatGPT, Google has decided to launch its own chatbot. That means Google is trying to beat OpenAI ChatGPT. But what happened is exactly opposite. Google loses $100 billion because board failed in a live demo. So that is pretty scary. AI is revolutionizing the world and Google is trying to beat ChatGPT as the Google is the king so far since 2001 and Google is trying to maintain that position. So Google has rushed into building a new chatbot called Bard, but the things didn't work as intended. As we know that ChatGPT is backed by Microsoft, so Microsoft is winning this race so far. And now Microsoft Bing has made a new announcement that you would be able to see the ChatGPT results as well besides Bing results. Here you can see that it is already showing the AI powered copilot. So right now at the moment it is in the wait list, so you can join the wait list right now and then you can access the new Bing Foster. Now you can also integrate ChatGPT with your Google Chrome. You just have to install this Chrome extension from Chrome Web Store, ChatGPT or Google. You can add it to the Chrome and then whenever you will search for anything on Google, the ChatGPT Chrome extension will also show you the results of ChatGPT besides Google search. So this is a very useful Chrome extension. Now let's do a comparison between ChatGPT and Bard. And let's see which is better. So Microsoft ChatGPT is an AI-based conversational model designed to simulate human-like conversations. Well, it is built on OpenAI's GPT-3 architecture, which is one of the most advanced AI models in the world. Bidirectional encoder representation, such as generating natural language responses, summarizing text, and answering questions. Additionally, it can be integrated with other applications and platforms provide conversational support to customers. Whereas Google Bard bidirectional encoder representation from Transformers Auto Regressive Decoder is another AI language model that uses a neural network to generate text. BARD is designed to generate a coherent sequence of words, sentences, and paragraphs in response to a given prompt. It is based on the transformer architecture and can be fine-tuned for specific language-related tasks such as language translation and question answering. Both ChatGPT and Bard have their unique features and capabilities. Now we can say that both ChatGPT and Bard are designed to generate natural sounding responses. However, ChatGPT has been shown to be better at generating responses that sound like they were written by a human. ChatGPT supports multiple languages: English, Spanish, German, and French, whereas Bard currently supports only the English language. However, ChatGPT has been shown to be more versatile and easier to integrate. Both ChatGPT and Bard can be used in various applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support. Both Microsoft ChatGPT and Google Bard are advanced AI language models that can be used in various applications, while ChatGPT is more versatile. Bard is currently more focused on the English language. Both AI language models have their unique features and capabilities, and the choice between them depends on the specific requirements application. It depends on your requirements, whichever tools you like to use, you can use it. So far, ChatGPT is winning this race, but let's wait for some time and Google's Bard will be out and then we will check out which tool is the best one. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.